Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are tackling the upstairs balcony. We have had a lot of problems with this balcony since we moved in. The balcony was leaking and water was coming down the wall into the kitchen. So before we could move forward with the kitchen and put the tiles back up on the wall, we needed to address this issue. We hired a couple of guys to come and fix the balcony right when we moved in because we knew it was an issue right from the beginning. And they suggested putting a ceiling compound on top of the existing tiles that were on the balcony. It seemed to help, but not address the main issue. So we decided that we were going to rip up all of the tiles up on the balcony and lay down a roofing material, asphalt. The roofing material we chose needed to be heated up and rolled out so that it could bond well with the concrete. This was a lot of work. In the video, the time goes by really fast, but we had to remove the railings and the doors from the windows along the balcony and then rip up all of the tiles that had been laid. And since we had put the bonding agent on the first time we tried to address this, it was really hard to get those tiles off. So after some blood, sweat, and tears, we managed to rip all of that off. We had a contractor come and sand the entire balcony down so that it was really easy to have the asphalt adhere really well to the concrete. You'll see here that we come across an infestation of ants that had been living in the wall due to the water damage, and they were rampant. So we managed to get them out and lay the new asphalt before any other rain came. So anyways, we wanted to take you along and show you our journey. So enjoy, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.